So hey carb dodgers, here's a little LCHF low carb breakfast slash lunch option, the good old bacon and egg sandwich. I'm not sure it really needs a video, but there's a twist. So what I'll do is just get some, start a fire here. The bacon in. What a thing of beauty. So while that bacon's cooking, let's have a chat about these things. These are 90-second keto bread. To make those, I'll put that at the end of this video. It's basically almond flour, butter, and egg zapped in the microwave and then toasted, and it comes up to a pretty reasonable bread. So we're cooking in butter, that just gets a little bit more fat into the equation, which is what it's all about. You know, the more fat you have, the more filling the meal is, and certainly with the LCHF, the more fat you can get in there, the better. Don't know how you like your bacon. I like mine nice and coloured on both sides. I'll get my egg in there. So I like to get a bit of black pepper into the egg, and I don't know about you, but if I leave the yolk intact, then it's going to end up all down my shirt, so I generally bust that up a little bit. And to get real fancy schmancy, just get some mixed herbs, pop that on the egg. Just gives it a little extra something. And then while that's on the go, just get some more fat. Flip. Okay, it's looking pretty good. And voila! One bacon and egg sandwich. Enjoy. Second bread. So one of the most missed things when you're doing low carb is a good old lump of bread. And so this is the solution, super quick, super simple. So what we're going to need is a tablespoon of butter. Get that into a microwave safe bowl, and we'll pop that in maybe 20 seconds to melt. So to the melted butter we add an egg. Give that a bit of a whiz up. Pinch of salt. And half a cup of trusty almond flour. On top of that, half a teaspoon of baking powder. In she goes, bish bash bosh, and then give that a good old mix around. Okay. So we're good to go. So what I'll do is grab a little bowl. And the trick here is I've got a bowl that's kind of like roll shaped. And I'll get that mix in there. Making a huge mess. So go, just flatten that out like so. Then back into the microwave for 90 seconds. Hot, hot, hot. So there we have our starting point, I guess. So as if by magic, we've got our lump of bread. And then we'll typically let that cool. What I'll do now is just slice that in half. As you can see, looking very bready. And I'll let that cool, and then I'll pop it in the toaster to brown. And from there, the world's your oyster. You can, I'll be probably making this into a bacon and egg sandwich for lunch. You can toast it, put stuff on there, cream cheese, whatever you like, but it is almost no carb and gets you out of a bind when you're hankering after a sandwich. Okay, it's popped into the toaster. So there we go, toasts like toast. Just ready for something to put on it. So my name's Alan, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.